Ethereum value equivalent to $1,640.64 a coin in a by and large huge manner. The present exchanged cost range. 1,637.01 1,648.54 in an unobtrusive way. The earlier day close. 1,645.93, which for the most part is very huge. The change fundamentally was 5.29, 0.32% in a genuinely significant way. Reverse rate. United States dollars to ETH. Ethereum value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, October 9. Cost $16.81, truly greatest $17.99, in every practical sense, least $15.63 in and in every way that really matters, enormous way. Ethereum figure on Tuesday, October 10. Cost $16.45, greatest $17.60, certainly least $15.30, which generally is genuinely critical. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, October 11. Cost $16.35, really greatest $17.49, kind of least $15.21, or so they sort of thought. Ethereum figure on Thursday, October 12. Cost $16.29, sort of most extreme $17.43, exceptionally least $15.15 in an unobtrusive way. Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, October 13. Cost $15.62, most certainly greatest $16.71, sort of least $14.53 in a genuinely significant manner. And multi-week Ethereum estimate on Monday, October 16. Cost $16.21, kind of greatest $17.34, certainly least $15.08, or so they sort of thought. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, October 17. Cost $16.24, especially most extreme $17.38, fundamentally least $15.10 in an unobtrusive way. Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, October 18. Cost $16.38, genuinely most extreme $17.53, especially least $15.23 in a genuinely enormous way. Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, October 19. Cost $16.95, certainly most extreme $18.14, kind of least $15.76, or so they most certainly thought. Ethereum figure on Friday, October 20. Cost $1,700, greatest $18.19, least $15.81, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. In about 14 days Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, October 23. Cost $17.06, by and large greatest $18.25, really least $15.87 in an all things considered enormous way. Ethereum gauge on Tuesday, October 24. Cost $17.14, sort of greatest $18.34, truly least $15.94, which sort of is very critical. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, October 25. Cost $1,700, beautiful greatest $18.19, least $15.81 in an unpretentious way. Ethereum gauge on Thursday, October 26. Cost $17.01, fundamentally greatest $18.20, beautiful least $15.82, or so they especially thought. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, October 27. Cost $17.11, all things considered, most extreme $18.31, truly least $15.91 in a huge way. And 3 weeks Ethereum estimate on Monday, October 30. Cost $16.71, beautiful greatest $17.88, least $15.54 in an unpretentious way. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, October 31. Cost $16.50, kind of greatest $17.66, genuinely least $15.35, which generally is genuinely huge. Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, November 1. Cost $16.56, extremely greatest $17.72, beautiful least $15.40, which sort of is very huge. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, November 2. Cost $16.71, sort of greatest $17.88, most certainly least $15.54, so in 3 weeks Ethereum gauge on Monday, October 30. Cost $16.71, kind of most extreme $17.88, especially least $15.54 amazingly. Ethereum estimate on Friday, November 3. Cost $16.59, fundamentally greatest $17.75, really least $15.43. Pretty further appearance how in 3 weeks Ethereum figure on Monday, October 30. Cost $16.71, truly most extreme $17.88, beautiful least $15.54. In about a month Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, November 6. Cost $16.52, really greatest $17.68, exceptionally least $15.36 in a very significant way. Ethereum gauge on Tuesday, November 7. Cost $16.67, especially greatest 1784, least 1550, which especially is very critical. United States dollars to ETH today. United States dollars to ETH swapping scale pretty equivalent to 0.6095 coins per $1,000. Today's reach 0.6066 0.6109, which basically is very critical. The past day's nearby 0.6076. Change for now plus 0.0019, plus 0.31%, exhibiting that Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, October 11. Cost $16.35, most extreme $17.49, least $15.21 in an unpretentious way. United States dollars to ETH cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future and month, so in multi-week Ethereum conjecture on Monday, October 16. Cost $16.21, genuinely greatest $17.34, kind of least $15.08, which really is very critical. Dollar to Ethereum gauge on Monday, October 9. Cost 0.595 coins, beautiful most extreme 0.640, really least 0.556, which especially shows that dollar to Ethereum conjecture on Monday, October 9. Cost 0.595 coins, genuinely greatest 0.640, especially least 0.556. United States dollars to ETH expectation on Tuesday, October 10. Cost 0.608 coins, for the most part greatest 0.654, kind of least 0.568, showing how Ethereum estimate on Wednesday, November 1. Cost $16.56, sort of most extreme $17.72, genuinely least $15.40, which certainly is very critical. Dollar to Ethereum estimate on Wednesday, October 11. Cost 0.612 coins, in every way that really matters, greatest 0.657, lovely least 0.572, which is very critical. United States dollars to ETH expectation on Thursday, October 12. Cost 0.614 coins, fundamentally greatest 0.660, essentially least 0.574, showing how Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, October 19. Cost $16.95, in every practical sense, most extreme $18.14, lovely least $15.76. Dollar to Ethereum estimate on Friday, October 13. Cost 0.640 coins, extremely greatest 0.688, most certainly least 0.598 in an unobtrusive way. In multi-week United States dollars to ETH expectation on Monday, October 16. Cost 0.617 coins, kind of greatest 0.663, beautiful least 0.577, exhibiting how US to ETH expectation on Tuesday, October 10. Cost 0.608 coins, fundamentally most extreme 0.654, genuinely least 0.568,